Cisco's Network and Support Insights digital notifications deliver easy-to-process information on your contracts and subscriptions, giving the visibility you need to review, simplify, and optimize your entire Cisco support landscape. It is all possible by simply applying the CXIB methodology's 3 Cs: contract consolidation, co-termination, and cover the uncovered. With Cisco's Network and Support Insights, you will get a complete overview of your device coverage status, allowing you to cover the uncovered with the appropriate service coverage and response times. It enables you to start your product migration planning by reviewing the device's past and approaching the last date of support, LDoS, to ensure a secure, compliant, and optimized network. In the support landscape, you can simplify your contract management by consolidating compatible service contracts per partner to ensure a simplified renewals process, recurring contract management, and purchasing. With the number of renewal dates, you can co-terminate and align all your coverage to a future end date, reducing the number of renewal events, aiding you in financial planning and recurring contract management. The number of partners gives you the visibility to start working towards contract simplification with each of your Cisco service partners. Cisco's Network and Support Insights helps you to ensure a secure, compliant, and optimized network by enabling you to make an active choice in the appropriate service entitlement, aiding you to manage the last date of support, LDoS risk, in time for product migration, guiding you in reducing complexity on your coverage landscape, simplifying your Cisco renewal engagements, and more. Cisco Network and Support Insights is continuously evolving to help transform your business to success. Reach out to us to find out more.